Okay, now voice is coming clear. Hello, can you hear me? Now can you hear me? Why is not coming? Wait. Now it is coming. Call me. Hello, call me. Hello, call me. Hello. Now it is coming. I'm. Array, why voice is not coming? I am using mic at present. Hello, now it is coming. See the in Zoom it is coming voice. Hello. 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 In Zoom it is coming. Sure. Clear it is. Okay. If any problem now you call me, I will remove the mic and all the things. Huh? Start. Hello, good morning. Today we'll start 2.3 quadratic equation by perfect square method. This method is very important because in SSC board they will ask one question of 3 marks. So I have divided that 6 sums into 3 parts. First 3, last 3. These are with A1, 1, 1 only. These are a different number 9, 2, 5. Now how to solve this type of the question? Ax square plus x square plus x minus 20 is equal to 0. X square plus x is equal to 20. Now see, this is the first equation in the form of ax square plus bx plus c. Step number 2, see from left to right. Third step, formula half into coefficient of x square. What is the coefficient of x? It is 1. Square, that is 1 by 2. Square, it is 1 by 4. Whatever the answer you are getting, that you have to add in a previous equation by adding 1 by 4 on both the side. So x square plus x plus 1 by 4 is equal to 20 plus 1 by 4. Perfect square, square root of first number, square root of last number, sign of middle. Square root of first term, square root of last term, sign of middle. 4 20s are 80. 80 plus 1, 81 by 4. Now this makes as a perfect square. This is 9 by 2 total square. Now remove square from both the side. So it is x plus 1 by 2, 9 by 2. When you are taking square root, always we have to write plus and minus. This comes this side because we want x is equal to minus 1 plus or minus 9 by 2. Denominator same, so we can combine. So 1 time minus 1 plus 9, minus 1 minus 9 by 2. Now 9 minus 1, 8 by 2. Minus 9 minus 1 minus 10 by 2. This cancel, 4, 5. So final answer in previous chapter in simultaneous we have learned this bracket means two answer of two different variable, that is a solution only. This is a solution set, means both answer belongs to x only, not different. Next, x square plus 2x minus 5 is equal to 0. In the standard form, ax square plus bx plus c. Then c on right side means minus 5, sorry. Now formula, half into coefficient of x means half into b. Coefficient of b means what? Middle term. So half into coefficient of x square, that is half into 2 square, that is 1 square. 2 cancel, 1 square is 1. By adding on both the side, in previous equation x square plus 2x plus 1 is equal to 5 plus 1. Adding on both the side, this will be 6. How to make perfect square? Always square root of first term, square root of last term, sign of middle. If it is minus, minus. If it is plus, plus. Square. Now x plus 1 square, it is root 6 square. To make square on both the side, now take square root. By taking square root on both the side, plus or minus. While taking square root, you have to write plus minus. Now this jump this side. Make separate. Plus and minus separate. Now this is the solution. Same we will solve third sum. Now it is m square minus 5m. Standard equation is given, then c given from left to right. It is given. No need to do second step. It is directly we will start from the second step. Now half into coefficient of m square, half into minus 5 square, minus 5 by 2 square, that is what? 25 by 4. By adding on both the side. So m square minus 5m plus 25 by 4, 25 by 4 minus 3 by 1. Here please. So square root of first number, square root of last number, sign of middle. Fourth is a 12. 25 minus 12, it is 13. Divide by 4. Make this as a perfect square. M minus 5 by 2 root 13 by 2 total square. Remove square from both the side by taking square root. Now this comes this side. Combine denominator, it is 2 2, so combine. Now separate 5 plus root 13, 5 minus root 13, divide by 2, so x. That is 1 2 3. When a is 1 compared to this ax square plus bx plus c. Now when a is given, a is some coefficient at that time, how to solve? This I will send you photograph of this board work, don't worry, you will get a time to write. 9y square minus 12y plus 2 is equal to 0. Previous three sum exactly same, only one step you have to add, what? That total equation, each and every term will divide by a. So what is a? So a is equal to 9, divide by 9, right? Same, by 9 by 9 by 9 by 9. This will cancel, so simply y square. 0 divided by any, 0. 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 9, 3 4s are 12, sorry. With 3 I have cut, plus 2 by 9. So now it is like this. Now take C on right side, from left to right. Now formula, half of coefficient of y square, half of minus 4 by 3 square, 2 2s are cancelled, so minus 2 by 3 square, so 4 by 9 square, square of minus 2 is plus 4, square of 3 is 9, adding on both the side. So previous equation, this y square minus 4y divided by 3 plus 4 by 9. 4 by 9 minus 2 by 9. Same, square root of first number, square root of last number, sign of middle. 4 minus 2 is equal to 2. Make this as a perfect square. So it is under root 2 by 3. 3 3s are 9, root 2, 2. Now you can remove square on both the side. Plus or minus under root 3, under root 2 by 3. Now this comes this side. Y is equal to 2 by 3 plus or minus under root 2 by 3. Now combine 3. 2 plus or minus root 2. So y, there are two answers. 2 plus root 2 by 3, 2 minus root 2 by 3. Next.